So to start off this method, I will actually want to do an updated version of Stake Cube right here to show you how this is actually working and the reasons why I'm actually mining with a certain amount of cryptocurrency on here. So first off, I'm actually mining with Turbo, and before I even get started showing you my results for just like 2-3 days of having this running, I want to show you guys you can get started with Stake Cube for free by just signing up under the link down below and coming over here to this tab, going all the way down to community tab where it says voting, faucets, and competitions, I believe. So once you have done this, you can actually come over here to the faucet list and then do this once every single day to start building your account balance, guys. You can see that people just deposited some more money in the Know Your Developer token. So all you have to do is just click on claim, and once you have done that, you can see that now it's going to give me some free cryptocurrency and start staking automatically, almost instantly right there, guys. So now we come back to my account. I want to show you a quick update before I show you the actual method and show you proof that this is actually working. So you can see Turbo token or Turbo coin right here. So if we click on this, you can see I have over 29,000 shares of this, or currencies, or Turbo Toshis, however you want to call it. So you can see I have around 29,000 right there, guys. And you can see in my just yesterday I have made another 26 of those for doing nothing at all but just holding the token itself. Now if we come over here to the earnings tab real quick, you can see that I'm earning every single day from this, guys. So I've only been running this for right here, you can see I have 0, and right here you can see I have 0, guys. So I have less than 0 because I took out some money to switch it over to a different currency just to try that out. But you can see that it's growing. So 26, 0, 24, back to 26. So I'm growing slowly but surely the currency itself. I really don't care about the dollar value at the moment, because the more I can actually earn on this, the more it's going to compound, and the higher that number is going to get every single day that goes by. So this is my strategy on using Turbo coin, or staking cube at that. And the token, I'm using it just for play. I'm just playing around because I'm trying to see if I'm going to get more money from having more of the pool shares, so which is this number. So I'm testing it out to see if the bigger the number, the more crypto I'll make, because I'm not too knowledgeable of staking. But I am staking this one as well. Where is it? Flints, because I'm actually going to be using this Flints for a different program or application, and I'll be making a video about that later on. So if we click on Flints, and I'm going to start to stake as much Flints as possible for right now, guys, until something happens to the token or the currency. But as you can see, just yesterday I have earned around 0.004 Flints, and I only have 3 tokens, I believe, or 3 Flints. Yeah, 3.5. So it's going to be the same thing, guys. So if we go over here to the earnings tab real quick, you can see that I'm just earning, even staking right there, you can see that. So you can see where it says earnings 0.002, 0.004. So this is 2 zeros, this is 3 zeros, this is 2 zeros. So you can see that right there. If we go to activity, you can see all of these staking rewards I am making from this, guys. So it is 100% passive right there. But this is not the strategy. This is just a quick update showing you about Stake Cube, and again, the link's going to be down below so you guys can get started right away. Now here is the program I wanted to show you. Look at this, it's still running. And remember I told you need referrals in order to get the anti-captcha balance. Well, look, I'm still at 25 cents. It hasn't moved up or down based off of this, guys. So if you get started right now with this bot or this faucet rotator, the link's going to be down below for you to get started right now. And all you have to do is just sign up for multiple of the accounts, and I'll be leaving all the links down below. I just can't show you inside of these settings because it's going to show you all of my information. But you can see I have 0 fails and have all of these OKs and total redeems. Look, I started at a balance. My starting balance was 0.02 of Tron. My collected balance is 0.37 Tron, and this is only a couple of days running. Look, execution time only 8 hours running this actual faucet, and that's what it has done for me. Look at this one right here. My starting balance on USD coin is 0. My collected balance is 0.01. You can see this is working really well just by setting this up and letting it just do its thing and earning some free cryptocurrency. passively. So now let me show you inside of some of these right here, guys. You can see it working right here. So if I actually zoom in, because you can't play with this while it's working, you can see my balance right there inside of my account. But what it's doing is just coming over here, solving these captchas down below. Now I just signed into my USD coin, and it's going to solve the captcha kind of a little bit below this, and it's just going to start to grow my balance. This is all it's doing, guys. It is 100% passive, because I have not touched this after I've signed up for everything and logged into my accounts on this software, and just let it do its thing, guys. You're not going to get any of these anti-captchas taken away from you. It's going to solve everything for you guys. So this is a really insane way to make money online passively with this new software that I have found. So as you can see right here, guys, if you go over to my course, you can see that it's right now is at $25. I really want to start helping you guys out as much as possible, and this is going to show you how you can start to make or even build your own team that's going to create YouTube videos for you. I have one inside of this course. You just got to come over here, purchase it, and check it out so you can get access to my team to be building these videos for you guys. They're going to be doing the thumbnails, the voiceovers, the videos editing, and the thumbnail creation, guys. They're going to be doing pretty much everything. All you have to do is just upload the videos yourself so you can start to make money on YouTube. So if you come over here, you click on add to cart. I'm not sure how long this is going to be on my how long this is going to actually last, but you have to come over here. You have to do this, guys, and then come over here, refresh the page, since I actually put 2 quantities, and you're going to see that you're going to get $10 off for just doing that, guys. Just for now, I'm not sure if I'm going to let this last for a long time, so I'm not sure how long I'm going to let this up, but just keep coming back, start purchasing this if you're interested in learning how to make money on YouTube passively. So if you want to see what I do, watch this. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you, and this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel, so you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload. what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.